Good afternoon, students. So, in our yesterday's class, we have started with 5.3 finite series. So, what are finite series? We have seen. So, you know sequence. So, series is a sum of n terms. Okay, sum of n terms gives the series. So, sum of finite sequence gives you the finite series. So, all this we have studied. We have studied some formula, okay, sum of n terms formula for GP, AP, and we have learnt also a new progression. What is a new one? Do you remember? Arithmetical geometric series. Okay, so that is a new one we have studied. So now we will continue with a few more problems in the exercise. 12th question. In a certain town, a viral disease caused health hazards upon its people, disturbing the normal life. It was found that on each day, the virus which caused the disease spread in geometric progression. Okay, it was a geometric progression, and the amount of infectious virus particle gets doubled each day, being 5 particles on the first day. So, first day it was only 5 particles. So, A is equal to 5. Find the day when the infectious virus particles just grow over 1,50,000. Okay. So, what all are given? A is equal to 5 and each day it got doubled. Therefore, R is equal to 2 and Tn. Okay, sum of n terms. Find the day when the infectious virus particles grow just over 1 lakh. So, Tn is 1,50,000. Okay, this is what is given. We have to find n. We have to find n. So, now we know that it is a geometric progression. So, Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. So, we are going to substitute all this here. So, what do you have? 1,50,000 is equal to 5 into 2 power n minus 1. So, 5 you can bring this side. So, 1,50,000 divided by 5 is equal to 2 power n minus 1. So, what is it when you divide? You get 30,000. So, 30,000 is equal to 2 power n minus 1. So, now we have to find n. So, to find n such that 2 power n should be greater than 30,000. Okay, 2 power n should be greater than 30,000. Now, we know that 2 power 14, we have to calculate. Okay, calculation only can be done. 2 power 14 is 16,384 and 2 power 15 is equal to 32,768. Okay, so this is 2 power 15 and this is definitely greater than 30,000. It is definitely greater than 30,000. So, what is asked here? We have to find n such that 2 power n minus 1 should be greater than 30,000. So, 2 power n minus 1 here is, so therefore, n minus 1 here is 14. So, which gives you n is equal to 15. Okay. So, n minus 1 is equal to 14. So, which gives n is equal to 15. So, that is the answer. Next, question number 10. Find the number of bacteria in a certain culture. Okay, 10th question we have already done. It's not the 10th actually. We have to do it with Ninth question. Okay, question number 9. In a race, 20 balls are placed in a line at intervals of 3 meters, with the first ball 24 meters away from the starting point. So a contestant is required to bring the balls back to the starting place one at a time. So how far would the contestant run to bring back all the balls? So we'll take a straight line. So this is the starting point. So here he starts. Okay, here this is the starting point, and first ball is here. First ball is here, and the distance is 24 meters. 24 meters. Second ball, say it is here. This is the second ball, and the distance between first ball and second ball is 4 meters. Third ball is here, and the distance is 4 meters. Okay, it goes up to 20th ball. So totally there are 20 balls. Okay, there are 20 balls totally. Okay, there are 20 balls. So 20th ball is there. So before 20 will be 19. So 19th distance between 19th and 20th will be 4 meters. Okay. So to bring the first ball, he will walk how much distance? Okay, he starts from the starting place, goes to the first ball, and he has to come back. Up 24 plus 24, which is equal to 48. Okay, so he has to walk 48 meters. So now to bring second ball, how much he has to walk? Okay, so to bring second ball, he will walk how much distance? 24 plus 4. So 24 plus 4 into 2. So how much it is? 28 into 2, which is equal to 56. Okay, so likewise it goes on. Is it clear, all of you? Okay, for first ball, starting place is the starting place. இங்க இருக்குது first ball, starting place க்கும் first ball க்கும் 24 meters இருக்குது. So he goes to the first ball, அத திருப்பி இங்க starting place க்கு கொண்டு வரணும். அப்ப 24 plus 24 is 48. அப்ப second ball எடுக்கிறதுக்கு distance between first ball and second ball is 4 meters. அப்ப 24 plus 4, 28. அப்ப 28 into 2, so 56. Okay. So therefore what we have? 48, 56, 64, like this we have 20 terms. Okay. Now so what is A? A is equal to 48, D is equal to 8, and N is equal to 20. So what is asked to find? How far would the contestant run to bring back the ball? So we have to find now Sn. So Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So use the formula. S20 we have to find. S20, therefore 20 by 2 into 2 into 8, 48 into 2. What do you get? So 2 into 48 plus 19 into 8. So it is equal to 10 into 96 plus 19 into 8 you multiply. What you get? 9 8s are 72. 7 8 plus 7 15. Therefore, it is equal to 10 into, add this both, 8 248, which is equal to 2480 meters. Okay, so he has to walk 2480 meters to bring the ball. Okay, now we will come to the first question in the exercise. Question number 1. Question number 1. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression having the sum of first 10 terms as 52. So, S10 is given as 52 and the sum of first 15 terms, that is S15 is equal to 77. We have to find S20. Okay. So, very simple problems. So, Sn, what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So, use it. So, what is S10? 10 by 2 into 2a plus 9d. 10 minus 1, 9d, and this is equal to 52. So, here 10 by 2 is 5. Therefore, we can also write this as 2a plus 9d is equal to, or one more step I will write 5 into 2a plus 9d is equal to 52. So, 2a plus 9d is equal to 52 by 5. So, this is equation number 1. Then S15, 15 by 2 into 2a plus 14d. 14d is equal to 77. So, it is 2a plus 14d is equal to 77 into 2 by 15, which gives you 2a plus 14d is equal to 154 by 15. So, this is equation number 2. So, now we will solve this both. Okay, we have to solve this two equations. So, we will subtract. We will do 2 minus 1. Okay, anything can be done. 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2 also can be done. So, we will do 2 minus 1. So, when you do 2 minus 1, it gives you 5d is equal to 154 by 15 minus 52 by 5, which is equal to 154. 15 is the LCM. So, minus 156, which is equal to minus 2 by 15. Therefore, D is equal to minus 2 by 15 into 5. 15 into 5 gives you 75. Okay, D is equal to minus 2 by 75. Substituting this in 1, we get 2a minus 18 by 75 is equal to 52 by 5. So, 2a is equal to 52 by 5 plus 18 by 75. So, taking LCM, 75, so 2a is equal to 75 is the LCM. So, we get 780 plus 18, which is equal to 798 by 75. Therefore, A is equal to finally 399 by 75, and which gives you finally 133 by 25. Okay. So, S20 is asked to find. So, what is S20? 20 by 2 into 2a. So, 2a is 798 by 75. Actually, all these steps are not necessary. Okay, directly we can substitute here. Plus n minus 1, 19. 19 into d minus 2 by 75. So when you multiply, add, divide all those, you get 304 by 3. Okay. Take LCM and do, you will get the answer. So this is first question. Coming to second question. Find the sum up to the 17th term of the series 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. So how will be the nth term? Nth term will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. up to n cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. up to 2n minus 1. Okay, this is the nth term. And this is nothing but numerator is a sum of the first n, sum of the cube of the first n natural numbers. Okay, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to n cube. Sum of cube of first n natural number. So, what's the formula? You studied this in 10th standard. N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. And what about the denominator? Denominator is nothing but n square. Therefore, we get this as n square into n plus 1 the whole square by 4n square. Okay. So, n square gets cancelled. Appo 1 by 4 into n plus 1 the whole square. This expand panna eppadi eludhalam? N square plus 2n plus 1. No? By using the identity a plus b the whole square. So, sum, what about the sum? So, when you add all this, 1 by 4 into sigma n square plus 2 into sigma n plus sigma 1. So, what is this? What is sigma n square? Sum of the square of the first n natural numbers. What is it? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 2 into sum of first n natural numbers. What's the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2 plus sigma 1. Sigma 1 na 1 plus 1 plus 1 etc. n times. அப்போ அதை எப்படி எழுதிருவோம்? n. Okay. So, now this is equal to, it is asked to find S17. Okay. So, S17 is equal to 1 by 4 into n இடத்துலலாம் என்ன போடுறோம்? 17 போடுறோம். So, 17 into 18, 2 into 17, 34, 34 plus 1, 35 by 6 plus 2 gets cancelled. So, 17 into 18 plus 17. Okay. So, here we can cancel the terms. 6 goes here 3 times. So, 1 by 4 into 17 into 3 into 35 plus 17 into 18 plus 17. So, now this is equal to 1 by 4 into multiply, just when you multiply 1785 plus 306 plus 17, when you add and divide, you get just 527. Okay. So, third question I have given you for homework and fourth already we have done. So, now we will go to question number 6. Sixth question. Sixth question is, find the value of n if the sum to n terms of the series root 3 plus root 75 plus 2 root 243 plus etc. is 435 root 3. Okay. So, we are, this can be written as, we have to find the value of n. So, இதை எப்படியும் எழுதலாம்? Root 3. This is 25 into 3. No? This is 81 into 3. Okay? Like this, if we can take it. Okay? And the sum is equal to, okay, this is equal to 435. So, it is equal to 435 root 3. So, what is this now? this is root 3, this is 5 root 3, this is 9 root 3 equal to 435 root 3. Now root 3 can be taken out. Appo root 3 வெளியே எடுத்தாச்சுனாக்கா 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus etc. It is equal to 435 into root 3. So root 3 will get cancelled. In the root 3 will get cancelled. So left hand side we are having it as AP. Okay, left hand side is a AP. So A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 4. So what about Sn? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So n here is n only, because n only we have to find. So n by 2 into 2A, A is 1. So 2 plus n minus 1 into D is 4 is equal to 435. So it is, what do you get? N into or n by 2 into 2 plus 4n minus 4 is equal to 435. The 2 வேணா அடுத்த பக்கம் எடுத்துட்டு போயிரலாம். So n into 4n minus 2 is equal to 435 into 2. So which gives you 870. So this is 4n square minus 2n minus 870 is equal to 0. Divide throughout by 2. So dividing throughout by 2, we get 2n square minus n minus 435 is equal to 0. Now what about the product? Product is minus 870 and sum is minus 1. So what are the two numbers? 29 and minus 30. Okay, 29 and minus 30. 3 9s are 27, 6, yeah. So when you add, you get minus 1. When you multiply, you get minus 80. Therefore, and here 2 we are having, coefficient of n square is 2. So divide by 2. Therefore, we write this as n plus 29 by 2 into n minus 15 is equal to 0. Now n is equal to minus 29 by 2 or n is equal to 15. Now this is not possible, not valid, because n is number of terms. It cannot be a fraction. So therefore n is equal to 15. Okay, so all other questions we have done. Only we have left with the fifth question. So fifth question is similar to that of the example. Okay, example we have done already. So you can, example 5.16. So it is similar to that. So you can try that for homework. Thank you, students.